Hello बच्चों, let us read the question first. Meristematic cells have option A thick cell wall and large intercellular spaces, option B thick cell wall and no intercellular spaces, option C thin cell wall and large intercellular spaces, और ऑप्शन डी थिन सेल वॉल एंड नो इंटरसेल्यूलर स्पेसेस. सो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हम जो कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे दैट विल बी द फीचर्स ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स. सो फर्स्टली जो मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स होते हैं ये फॉर्म करते हैं मेरिस्टेम्स विच आर द डिवाइडिंग सेल्स इन द प्लांट बॉडी, which means due to the presence of meristematic cells or the dividing cells एक प्लांट बॉडी शो कर सकती है ग्रोथ ऑल थ्रू इट्स लाइफ, अनलाइक एनिमल्स जो एक सर्टेन एज तक ही ग्रो करते हैं. कंटिन्यूइंग जो मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स हैं दे आर डिवाइडेड एज प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम्स और सेकेंडरी मेरिस्टेम्स. पर्टिकुलरली जो प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम्स होते हैं ये कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं इन इंक्रीज इन द लेंथ of the plant body and they are seen to be present at shoot forming shoot apical meristems or the root forming root apical meristems, whereas जो secondary meristems होते हैं they are responsible for the increase in girth of the plant body, which means ये responsible है in increasing the diameter of the plant body. So now if we look at the various features of meristematic cells, they are as follows. Firstly, जो meristematic cells होते हैं they are small sized cells. Secondly, इन cells की जो shape होती है that is oval or round. Thirdly, they have only primary cell wall, which means इनकी cell wall में किसी भी तरह का deposition नहीं होता है of suberin और other various chemical compounds. Being primary cell wall, इनकी जो cell wall होती है that is thin in nature, which means they possess thin cell wall. Moreover, vacuole is absent in meristematic cells. They have dense cytoplasm. Dense cytoplasm show करता है कि ये जो meristematic cells हैं they have high metabolic rate. They possess large nucleus, which means जो इनका nucleus होता है that is conspicuous, which means it is easily visible. They have multiple plasmodesmatal connections जो facilitate करता है food की movements within the meristematic cells and other nutrients or minerals inflow or outflow between meristematic cells. And lastly जो intercellular spaces होती है which means the space between two cells that is absent for meristematic cells, which shows कि जो meristematic cells होते हैं ये closely bounded होते हैं with one another and hence the intercellular spaces are absent in meristematic cells. So now if we look back to the question, इस particular question में हमें identify करना था which among the following options correctly defines the meristematic cells. Hence, the correct answer is option D, which says they have thin cell wall and no intercellular spaces. Because जो meristematic cells होते हैं they possess primary cell wall which is a thin cell wall and moreover they do not have any kind of intercellular spaces. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.